This is Jack Milne with the House Whisperer Show. Coming up very soon, we're going to start something new and interesting called the House Whisperer Corner. I've been getting a lot of emails over the last 6 months, just really kind of say, Jack, can you comment on this or that? Well, I wanted to open this up to really everybody. I think everyone has an opportunity to learn more about how their house works. And I wanted to change direction a little bit so that we can get our subscribers involved. So if you'd like to become part of this, hit the QR code in the bottom corner, and at the same time, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll include you too. So hopefully this will help. If you'd like to have anything that you want me to discuss, by all means, leave me a comment, and we'll stay in touch.